Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Best Buy gift card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your gift card. Locate your Best Buy gift card and make sure you have the card number and PIN ready. The PIN is usually found under a scratch-off panel on the back of the card. Step 2. Log in to your Best Buy account. Open the Best Buy website or mobile app and log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to use your gift card. Step 3. Redeem your gift card. Navigate to the gift card section and select Redeem a gift card. Enter your card number and PIN as requested, then click Apply to your balance to complete the activation. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your gift card is successfully activated, you will see the updated balance in your Best Buy account. Your Best Buy gift card is now ready to use for online or in-store purchases. Step 5. Start shopping. You can now use your Best Buy gift card balance at checkout. Simply enter your card details online or present the card in-store, and your balance will be applied to your purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.